Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can factory reset our Motorola Edge 50 Ultra by using the recovery mode. So the first thing that we need to do is power off our device. There we go. Once the device is off, we want to press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. So press and hold those buttons until you see the fast boot mode. There we go, we can release those buttons. Now keep pressing volume up until you see the recovery mode, and then press power button in order to enter to the recovery mode. Now we need to wait a couple of seconds. In a short while we should see the no command text. There we go. So now press and hold the power button, and once you hold it, you want to press the volume up button while still holding the power button. So press and hold power button, press volume up, and then you can release the button. And now press the volume down button in order to find the option that is called wipe data / factory reset, and then you can confirm the action by pressing the power button, and after that you need to simply proceed with the reset. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.